Hi guys, let's review Motorola AmphisoundX 160 watts wireless soundbar. If you are seeing this channel for first time, I recommend you to hit that subscribe button. Motorola has launched its AmphisoundX Dolby Wireless 160 W Bluetooth Soundbar for TVs at a budget price. Motorola claims that the soundbar setup will provide a theater experience to the user. Let's review the unit and see if the claims are any good. The soundbar is sleek in design and has a grille with a digital display in it. The power cord provided along with the box is used to connect both soundbar and sub to the power source. Post which, both can be connected to TV, projector with Bluetooth, ARC, or optical cable. Both soundbar and subwoofer automatically pair up without any intervention and cable, truly wireless. Remote provided along with the unit is also handy in changing the treble and bass of the system at ease. This Motorola wireless soundbar alone generates 100 watts power output. And subwoofer, in turn, generates another 60 watts, thus 160 watts of power output. Dolby Audio, HDMI ARC, Digital Signal Processor, DSP, Dynamic Range Controller, DRC. Amplifier, and hotkeys for preset audio modes are all the key features of this soundbar. This Dolby Audio supported soundbar has 3 front-firing drivers, which are optimized for high, mid, and low frequencies. The subwoofer has a 6.5 bass driver which boosts the overall bass. Since the sub is wireless, it can be placed anywhere in the room. This feature can be adjusted in the remote itself. This soundbar supports 4K content and provides all-round connectivity via HDMI, optical ports, Bluetooth, and its O and USB ports. To reflect on the audio performance, a combination of soundbar and subwoofer elevates the whole music listening experience to the next level. The bass is just extraordinary. With just a 2.1 surround sound system, we are able to feel the theater-like experience. Even though we have multiple connectivity options, we recommend using optical cable to connect the soundbar to your TV as it improves the whole audio quality level. You can certainly note the difference in the audio when connected via Bluetooth versus when connected via optical cable. To sum it up, this is an excellent premium option if you want a nice booming soundbar and subwoofer for your large LED TVs. Dolby Atmos can be improved, but hey, at this price point, this is as good as it can get. Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box, if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful, if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.